No, 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 don't do that. Don't do that. That's just me. Peeping Tom over here. And in case you're wondering what plant this is, really doesn't matter. He just chose probably the most convenient spot to do the deed. Instead of a movie theater drive-in, this dude. This right here is a Zinfandel grapevine. He's older, you can tell. And now let's see something here. I'm going in for... Hey, open up. Now open up. Open up, open up, open up. Hey, don't be an idiot now. Let me see this. If you actually look right there, you will see their abdomens are touching. Try to get a side view again. See? Alright, I'll let you guys do your thing. I just wanted to... You can also see the damage to his wings. She's fresh. Oh, she's not that fresh, but... She hasn't been around the block yet. And don't take that the wrong way.